past few months, we've been getting some great tips to help homeowners with their home repairs and maintenance using the Frontdoor app. It's an app that connects homeowners with live experts in real time. When you open the front door and video chat an expert, they can help diagnose an issue and even provide step-by-step DIY guidance to help fix it. It's your home repair expert right at your fingertips. Let's take a look. The Frontdoor app is there when you have those unexpected issues that pop up. Within just minutes, you can connect with live experts on video chat for personalized advice and step-by-step DIY guidance. However, once you know all that it can do for you, you're going to start including it in your regular routines too. Help winterize your home and home-related issues that can occur when the temperature drops. Check outdoor outlets and power for holiday lights. Repair your second oven that hasn't been used since the last family gathering. Getting the house ready for the change in seasons, make sure your AC and other home systems are ready for the heat. Check insulation to help with keeping energy costs down. Fix the ice maker that keeps making that buzzing sound. You can also give the gift of Frontdoor Unlimited, from housewarming gifts to holidays and more. It's a gift that is sure to come in handy for anyone with a home repair to-do list. The gift recipient gets 12 months of unlimited real-time home repair and maintenance help from experts. Get virtual home help from the comfort of your phone. You can download or gift the Frontdoor app today from their website at frontdoor.com. And remember, you can also find more information at our website at designingspaces.tv.